the crew. What time is it? It's 1:30. What?
Yes, lahat tayo gumulpo.
Yes! Yes! Analog yan, guys! Okay, guys. We're here at the airport. Let's go. Let's go, girl.
Let it be known.
Let it be known.
It's accurate.
It's accurate.
Actually,
So, i-check-in mo talaga pala siya. Yun.
it's currently crew 1.
Oh, one.
And we're here at Cafe France to get
Ay, alam-
early breakfast.
Oo, yeah. Ayun.
Yeah. Ano masasabi mo? What do you want to eat?
Chia seeds.
Chia seeds?
Chia seeds.
Tutukain mo siya.
Ibon pala yan ako.
Literally chia seeds lang yun.
Chia seeds na. Okay.
Buy vlog. We'll just buy muna.
Okay. 319. Behind the scenes, guys. This is how you do it.
Thank you and welcome to Cebu.
Hi, guys. Eto na siya.
Ay, dalawa.
POV.
Taga Cubao na jeep yung
42 minutes
Oh,
early.
40, ilang minutes?
The DL just landed 42 minutes ahead of schedule. What the hell was that?
Nagulat ako pag-gising ko, pag-check ang phone ko. 6:30.
Mawal. Here we go. We paid, ano ba to? 210. Sheesh! Sheesh!
Hindi pa kompleto.
Hindi pa kompleto. Look at that. Wala pa tayong mga classmates.
It's been like 2 years or more. Doon ka nakain. Parang nahuli kang kain. Iba na lasa. Ngayon, ang sarap.
Lapas batchoy kasi na-acid na siya.
Sabaw.
Sabaw.
Ang tabaw nito.
I got the kasi same siya.
Yeah. Meron din ako. Hindi lang hopya binili ko. Yes, of course. Ayun.
Notification sa phone ko. Happy National Fried
Fried
Chicken.
chicken.
Sabi ng burger.
Sabi ng burger.
Sabi ng burger. Happy National Fried Chicken.
Okay.
Bili na daw ako ng chicken.
Okay. Okay, let's debrief, guys. Debrief.
Sabi kasi ni Kuya, 50 pesos each. Di ko narinig yung for 8.
Ako parang hinihinaan niya kasi boses yung pakyawan ko kasi
But yeah, we paid 400 for it.
400 try. I mean, medyo malayo siya, pero hindi ko justify. Yeah.
Ay, oo nga, mas mahal pa yung mas mahal pa yung trike namin kaysa sa
Sa Grab, 300 lang yung Grab natin.
right?
Papaganda ko na lang.
But yeah, we're just gonna...
We're just girls.
Settle in, then change. Enjoy your day. We're gonna eat. Where?
Mercado.
Sa Mercado.
In this weather pa.
That's a lot.
Wala na magdi-dinner, I guess.
Is it a surprise? Na nag-chicken ako. Wait lang.
No.
Panglalakit ko lang.
No, right? Surprise tattoo for 2, oh. Ooh. Ooh.
They're thinking thoughts.
They're thinking thoughts. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Okay.
Kamusta po ang shoot?
Ikaw muna.
Oh, slay.
Slay.
Like, who's this
Pakita mo sino ka.
Ako si Sam.
Pinakita niya talaga.
Ako si Sam.
Ang chill lang niya here. We're currently at Palagsama Beach. I don't know if we could call it a beach since sobrang pato. The rock formation. Yeah. So we're going to try sa sun talaga sa Baslako tomorrow.
Here ya. When the trip made it out of the group chat.
Yay!
After 10 years. 10 years, Joe.
Oh, 10 years, Jo! Jo!
Ano, Jo? Pagod ka na ba? Ayaw mo na ba? Pagod ka na ba?
Ayun! Ayun! Look at this sign. Oops. I love it, guys. I love it, guys. I love it. Ah! Kawaii desu. Because they say there's always room for dessert. Brookie,
Salmon.
chocolate chip, and then chocolate chip
soft serve.
soft serve. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Sorry.
Hi guys. So It's currently, I don't know, 8 a.m.
Time check, 8:44.
8:44 a.m. And we have Jack here. Jack. Ayaw niya, no. Dong-danan. Food has arrived. We got ham and egg. Longganizo. Day 2. And it's hot. Very, very hot.
Ay.
Yeah. So day 2, later, we're just gonna eat lunch and then we're gonna go across the street. Literally across the street for our coffee and, I don't know, dessert. Then we're gonna go swim. Saan tayo? Basdako. Dun kami. We're gonna go straight there. We're gonna swim. Siyempre, picture. May mga picture tayo. Ganun. Tapos eat again. Yun lang ginawa namin dito sa mall ko.
Chasing lang.
Food trip. Cloud chase. Food trip. Repeat. And tomorrow, ganun ulit. Morning.
Cebu, are you ready?
Cebu. Ready.
Be prepared.
Be prepared. Here's the food. Yum, 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 yum. With our kids. Mole bowl. And then, we ate there. Literally, we sat there. And then, we're going here. Yes, let's go, guys. Cinnamon girl. yung niya yan. Pero parang hindi matamis. But it's good.
Talaga? Ako natatabangan ako. Tatabangan ka? Pero kasi nga lasa eh.
Matamis. Matapang.
Hindi, mataas na yung sugar.
Pero ang init-init. Like, napakainit. 3 p.m. Gusto maglakad. Kaya naman daw 7 kilometers lang naman daw kasi. So guys, it's hot. Pero it's ganda. Super ganda.
The beach. Get parang nag-itip masyado ang mall. It's so maganda. It's a hidden
Basdako.
gem. Yeah, Basdako beach is so nice.
Yan na yun.
Hi, we're currently on Basdako Beach.
Yes,
Super ganda. Like, if you can see the view right now.
Hindi makatarungan ng beauty sa video.
Hindi na kaya i-take ng
Oo, it's very ganda-ganda. Promise.
Ito ng view.
But yeah, guys. Ang saya. Right. Nakahanap na kami ng pwesto. And then, I bought a coconut. Pero si ate na nag-offer ng coconut, wala pa naman sa kanya yung coconut. Paano namang baliw yun? Tapos 80 niya, 100 niya. Tapos sabi ko, uy, mahal. O, 80 na lang daw. Dapat nga, ano lang yun, 50 lang eh. Pero sige, okay lang. Sige. Minsan lang naman. But yeah. There's our other friend. Somewhere there. Say hi. Dom! Dom 1, 2, 3! Dom, hello, babe! Hi, baby!
So, kanina pa kami nandito. It's currently 5 na. I don't know if you can see it. It's 5 na and mga 3 pa kami nagpunta dito. Sobrang sunny pero hindi siya yung masakit sa balat. But I think medyo nasunog na ako. We're just waiting for the sunset for another photo shoot. So let's see. Abangan nyo sa IG namin yung mga Cebu dump namin.
Hi guys, so sunset na and we took some pictures na. I think we're done, so that's why we're swimming. I'm just gonna bring my camera with me. I'm just gonna bring you with me dito sa beach. So that ganito. Although, hindi ko siya lulublob kasi I'm scared. But here's my friends, Rolly!
Are you a vlogger po ba?
Yes po.
Yes.
Follow me at...
Hindi ko pa shout out.
Ay, hindi po pwede. May bayad po.
Napasukan ako ng tubig sa ilong.
Ay, sorry. Hello!
Napasukan ako ng tubig sa ilong. And I've drunk like 1 bottle of water na dito sa...
And salt.
Yeah. Ang sakit, wait lang.
May naglalaro ng beach volleyball doon. Tapos gusto ko sumali. Pero nauna ang hiya.
But will that ever stop you? I don't.
Toast.
I'm shy. I'm kinda shy.
Go for it.
Brooklyn. After Brooklyn.
Yeah, I'm kinda shy. So, baka mamaya, try. Ay, sige, try natin. Yon. We just ordered sinigang and shrimp poppers like that. And ayun, we're just gonna eat na. And then later probably magpapa-tattoo kami. And cafe. And magbibingsu pala kami. Let's see. We finish eating around 9:45. Kaso, unfortunately, lahat ng gusto naming cafe is closed. Closed na sila kasi hanggang 10 p.m. lang sila. Sad. So currently, nandito kami sa... Yes, dito kami sa... Taco Del. Yes. We're not here for the tacos though, but
Here for the coffee.
we're here for the coffee. So I ordered this one, a mojito. Virgin lang siya. Virgin nga lang siya.
Sad.
Just like me.
Basta vlog mo yun. This is caramel latte, earthy matcha latte, the virgin lang ito. Virgin?
Yes. Virgin. Yes.
Really?
Yes. Yes.
Tatlo po yung bugo natin.
Oo, para may choice.
Oh, sige.
Kuha ka na yun para sa akin.
Okay, para may masisisi ma'am.
Isa. Okay. Dragon Balls.
Ganyan. Relax na yung tao.
Yes. Happy first. Yes. Wow! Guys, Panagsama Tattoo. Kuya is very nice. And it's currently 12 midnight. Open siya. Open siya hanggang 12 midnight. Okay, we're going back to Cebu City tomorrow. Pero magsa-sunrise kami mamaya. Sana magising?
Walang matutulog.
Ay, ako matutulog.
Who said that?
Bahala ka dyan. Basta ako matutulog ako.
Tama. We will sleep pala.
Yes.
Sorry, my bad.
Pero fake ko papakita ko to sa kay mama. Pero
Kay mama.
siguro papalipasin ko muna yung buwan.
Ay, talaga? Kung ako yung kating-kating na ako mapakita kay mama yun.
Ewan ko kasi sasabihin niya. Si attorney.
I got a niyog. Tsaka a son.
Alright.
Yes.
And I got my Sojak sign.
Jojak.
Jojak siya. Jojak cat.
He's an
As a
April Aries egg,
April
by the
Aries
way.
na red.
Do what you can with that information.
Bitch. Ano pakita naman?
April. We're currently here sa Kubufi. I'm feeling the vibes. I love it. Napa-order na. I just ordered this. So, yun. Coconut milk shake.
Milkshake.
Shake.
Kape swada. Ay, kape suwa.
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 Same there.
Kape suwa.
But oatmeal.
But oatmeal.
Because I
Basic
can't
bitch.
coconut. Sorry. Ayoko eh.
Sige, ito. Nagmalunggay pandesal. Malunggay pandesal sa Cebu. Why not? We're now in Cebu City after 3 hours sa bus. We're here na. We're here sa It's currently 3 p.m. We're gonna have late lunch sa Puso Village. Let's just see how we go there.
Your Honor, we requested this speak.
We're here at Puso.
City Hall. Kasi dito kami, Puso Village. Ha? I think this is the rice na. Lechon. Yum. Bye-bye. We're gonna eat na. Bye. It's avocado mango with ice cream and everything. And then buko pandan. Kasi
Wallet.
thank you po, ate kuya. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Hi guys, we're currently here sa Atua, aka Cubao
Expo of Cebu.
Yes, Cubao Expo Cebu. And it's cute. I mean, mas mukha siyang
Mas less crowded to be honest.
photojournalist who doesn't post.
Damn.
Siya.
Is that a shade?
Siya
Sana
yun.
pinabillboard nyo na lang.
Siya yun. We got this one. This one's chocolate chip cookie. S'mores. This is one. Ano to? Akin to.
Yes, that's yours.
Choco matcha. Diba?
Then, mocha, Spanish mocha.
mocha.
And Spanish latte. Yes.
Basic na naman po siya.
I'm a basic bitch. Kasi yung sa Manila, ba? Instant diabetes.
Instant cavity.
Totoo.
Yung corn.
Woo! Sira!
Pagkatitingin sa likod.
Sobrang ganda mo na.
Pakita mo pa itong bata.
Baby point. Baby point. Hayop. Okay na yan. Tama na.
Nakakatawa yung ba't na bata. Girl! Gumagalaw yung yes!
Hi guys, we're currently here sa
Temple of Leia.
Temple of Lace.
It's like we're in Santorini, Greece.
Parang kanina
It's
mini
like-
Amsterdam daw ngayon.
Ngayon, nasa ano kami? Nasa Greece.
Yes.
Currently at Temple of Leia. Then nag-ano pa siya ngayon. Photoshoot. Oh.
Nag-ano siya?
Who is she?
Who is she? Peekaboo.
We're currently at the Taoist Temple.
Yes.
It's an hike.
Ayun siya, aming kaibigan there.
Yeah, she's taking a photo right there.
Yes, and it's
And we
kapagod.
cannot take photos under there, so dito muna yung photo spot.
Yes, no pictures there. Cannot take a picture of the saints. Their saints. So yan. Yeah, pause na yan, agad yan siya.
Kailangan ko pa na practice for the hike.
Oo. Yeah. Siya, hike tayo, hike. Hindi naman siya nag-aya, but sinasabi, oh, hike na, gano'n. Ay, paano, chocolate. Kaya naman. Hey, look at my hands. Very full. But yeah. Nice.
We're gonna eat now.
We're gonna eat.
And it's 12:28. We're not tired.
Thank you. The food is here. We got Cebu Express, House of Lechon, Sisig Lechon, and then the rice. And I got sunrise. It's lechon overload. Yeah, lechon overload.
Hi, post meal.
Antop.
Cebu Heritage.
Cebu Heritage, guys. Taran! Ito yan siya dati.
Ay, may class in between.
What's this?
It's a them.
Hello.
So, ano? Sila nag-aano ng them.
Dito nila tinatago, probably.
Here's a 10,000 roses. Bilangin namin kung 10,000
If
na
hindi
ba. We will let you know.
Ito hindi naman. Everybody, let's go! Wee!
Caramel na naman si ate.
Caramel na naman.
Caramelitis.
Mga nakailang caramel na
I
siya.
love caramel. Caramel forever.
Kuya mo. Ngayon pala nakita for our...
Ano kuya picture?
Hi guys! We're here sa Ayala Central Block. SB, check lang natin. Pero tama nakakainom ha. Parang wala na tayo bang hilig na yung mga tao.
No, we need
Tama na talaga
to
kakainom.
try local coffee spot here.
Local?
Yeah.
We're hoarding. Last minute hoarding.
Yes. Good luck na lang kung paano nila ipapasok sa luggage nila. So,
How much is it?
Fine na.
Ayaw mo.
guess where we are.
Guess nyo na lang.
Guess nyo na lang talaga. So clean.
Very, very good.
Very, very good. Yes, currently 3:40 and we're leaving in a bit. Naliligo lang si Rooney. Palabas na yan siya. Sila, they're going to work. While I will be going home muna and then off to work around 2 p.m. Slay. Manila.
Hi, so we just paid extra because apparently there's sticker here in Cebu than in Iya, so we had to spend 800 for me and Sam
Yeah.
and checking our luggages. So yeah, that was
Pero,
fun.
pero dapat naman kasi, I mean, sa kanya kasi 9 kilos. 9 kilos.
I mean, sa Boracay kasi nalusot ko yung 10
Nalusot.
kilos ko.
Oh, wow. Tama bang i-post ko yun?
Sorry. Cut the cameras.
Cut the cameras.
To remain seated for the moment.
For the moment.
Have your boarding pass and
For the moment.
passport ready for inspection.
For the moment.
Pero hindi ako na-focus sa announcement.
Sa accent din ako eh. Like, posted. Then, ay, nasaan papakahirap ako. Yan. Posted. Yes, guys. Good for 24 hours lang now. good for us lang naman yan. So, help me. Please bear with me.
Tinanong ako, di ba, ng for security questions.
Oo. Buntis.
That's pregnant po. Tapos nag-isip pa ako na parang pang like,
Buntis ka, T.I.
buntis.
Malay mo, dun sa dun, pero...
The only I will go. For now, Anna.
For now? There's a for now. So, we're waiting.
Unfortunately, kailangan mag-work.
We're ashamed na. Kasi we have a 9 a.m. shift.
Yes.
And it's currently 7:30 right now.
So yeah, ano na, kami ay...
No, it's 7:40 na.
So kami ay
Ay, malili.
Di ba, ang mahalaga, nakapasok kahit late. Right?
Kaltas. Sige, kaltasan mo lang.
Wala na makakaltas pa.
Okay, so we are going to Bay A16 kasi we have booked a Grab na ano siya, 2 stops. Kasi yung isa nagmumuni-muni pa kung papasok o hindi.
Pasok na, lalakad na lang ako.
Ngayon. Employee of the month.
Ay, apa, dito na lang. Dito lang pa yung maleta. Bye!
Bye! Thank you!
Bye!
Alright guys.